Smart Lock installation video. Front lock, rear lock rubber pad, lock core bag, battery, card, spring square rod, screw, tail ruler, charging line, coil. Install the screw pipe. And tighten it with pliers. Open the rear lock battery compartment cover. Unscrew the screws. Remove the rear lock washer. Install the locking pad after installation. Install the tail ruler. Then fold the split pin to ensure it does not touch the motor. Insert the spring. Install lock body. Align the hole and tighten the screw. Install the lock cylinder with the lock cylinder hole facing outward. Tighten the screws. Lock before installation. Thread the wire through the rear locking gasket. The screw cannot exceed 2 centimeters beyond the outdoor door edge, exceeding the required size and cutting to the appropriate size. Tighten the screws. Adjust the front and rear lock washers. Tighten the screws again. The tail ruler cannot exceed the edge of the door. If it exceeds, it must be cut. The square pole cannot exceed the door edge. If it exceeds, it must be cut. Insert square rod. Connect the front and rear lock wires. After installation, align the lock with the square rod, tail ruler, and lock core hole position. Tighten the screws. Install the battery and then cover the screen cover. Installation is complete.